Let's take a look at the Ideation Library within the Inspiration Hub of VirtusNova. We get to it via the left side navigation, clicking on Inspiration, and then navigating into the Ideation Library. Understand this as an idea filtering system and folder system that helps you to create your own ideas and save them in a central space, enabling you to very quickly create posts from there, as well as being the system where all your saved ideas from different spaces within VirtusNova are saved to. Let's take a look at what we see on screen. First of all, an overview of all of your saved ideas, just flattened out. You can very also switch over into your different folders which you already have. Note that an idea which is just automatically saved from, for example, the guided post flow, that it will land in the uncategorized folder itself. You can always add your own folders by just clicking on add here, folder test, for example, or campaign 1, create the folder, and then, for example, hop into it, create your subfolders, etc., depending on how detailed you want to be taking this. Do you note that, of course, this yet again is on a brand by brand basis. So each brand has its own inspiration hub, meaning that your ideas will be seen separate between the brands. Now let's have a look at the filters that you have. You can filter based on where the idea came from. Is it something that you manually created? Is it a generated idea? Or perhaps even an idea that came from the quiz generator? Then yet again, the edit/creation date of that idea. When was it created? And then you can quickly hit apply on the filters and clear them just as easy. Furthermore, if we already had saved ideas, then we can search for these across here, and then we will be able to see all our ideas which have, for example, a specific phrase in them. I'll just go ahead and copy this here, and then we see that we have a couple of ideas that fit this search. Now, let's go ahead and create our own personal idea from scratch. So what we can do is we just click on the new idea button over here, or even navigate into a specific folder to automatically create the idea in the folder that we are in right now. So you can go ahead and write a quick summary or a full draft of your idea, include notes, thoughts, or really anything you want to remember when you're turning this into a post later. I'll just go ahead and make a dummy idea and put it in here. We can, of course, have more lines here as well. Give this whole thing a title and then save it. Now, from this point onwards, we'll be able to see it in the background over here. For example, here we can see that the idea has been saved successfully. Of course, you can very easily just also create another idea to add to your list over here. And if you wish, also delete it or move it into another folder, or even create a post directly from it. Now, we'll go ahead and look at what it means to move ideas to another folder or even move folders entirely. So I will go ahead and create a subfolder over here, click on create, and there we have one, so that we can then move this idea into the subfolder which we just created. So we can go ahead and navigate to that subfolder, move it into the folder instantly, or even create a new folder in there. So subfolder as an example, and then move the idea there. Now we very quickly can navigate into that folder as well, create more subfolders, or even add more ideas if we wanted to. It's all pretty straightforward. Now from here, do note that you can also do the same thing with folders themselves. So we can move the subfolder, which is currently in the subfolder, which is within the campaign 1 folder. We can even move the whole folder or rename it, create a new idea for it, or even delete it. For now, let's move that into, for example, the root directory. So over here, and now we have the 3 folders in the root directory, which is all our uncategorized ideas, our campaign, and then the subfolder, which we just created as a dummy test. Alternatively, we can also rename this from subfolder to just folder as an example here, and have fun with that. So from here, this is really where you want to be organizing your different campaigns, product ideas, etc., whatever you and your team has come up with, so that you can very quickly create posts from this. Speaking of which, let's go ahead and create a post from our previously saved ideas. Just click on the create post button over here, and then select our target audience. I'll keep this general, select the social media channels, And then the next step, we will then see the pre-populated idea, which we have over here, where we can either choose to pick a different idea from our ideation library, where we can, of course, also, yet again, use the filters that we just saw a moment ago, or then what the standard thing that you would typically do after you maybe made a couple of edits here, then to go ahead and remove, for example, the kitchen word, and then generate your caption. From here, this is now where you will be able to very quickly go into the schedule, post mode, etc. But this video is, of course, not about that. So let's navigate back into our inspiration hub, the ideation library, and then see our ideas on one overview over here. Now, in addition to this, let's quickly have a look at what it looks like in terms of saving ideas that might be generated to this space over here. So I will go ahead and, for example, have a recipe snapshot, make this for local food lovers, and then target those, since I'm a restaurant over here, select my social media channels and generate a couple of ideas. Now, as mentioned in a previous video, what this enables us to do is we'll see a list of different post ideas here in a second. And thereafter, via the heart icon, we can very quickly add them to our ideation library, which now we will be able to see. For example, if I just copied the headline over here, went into our ideation library, pasted that in there, and we'll be able to see the idea which we just saved and it's being tagged as an idea that came from our generated ideas. Now, of course, at the moment, this is just simply in our uncategorized folder. So we will be able to see that over here in the uncategorized folder, where typically you would want to maybe keep this organized. It really depends on how you feel about this, and then you can go ahead and, for example, move this into one of our subfolders here, just confirm that very quickly, and then there, that is all done and dusted. To round off this video, let's go ahead and find this idea again and make edits to it. So we can go ahead and click this edit button here, for example, remove a couple of words, maybe add another paragraph as well to it, and then save changes. That rounds up this feature already, your hub for all your saved ideas from anywhere within VirtusNova or ideas which have been created by you manually.